In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether you're looking to switch services or just pause for a while, I'll guide you through the process smoothly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in using your admin credentials. It's important to use the administrative access to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your subscription. Once signed in, it's time to navigate to the settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this to open up a list of administrative options related to your account. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll want to locate Account and Settings. This option is found under the section labeled Your Company. By selecting this, you'll gain access to all the details related to your QuickBooks Online account, including billing and subscription details. With Account and Settings open, you need to shift your attention to the left-hand menu where the Billing and Subscription tab is clearly visible. Click this tab to enter the section where all the magic happens related to managing your subscription. Here comes the crucial part, canceling your subscription. Within the billing and subscription area, you'll find an option that says cancel subscription or perhaps cancel QuickBooks Online. Give this option a click to initiate the cancellation process. After clicking to cancel, QuickBooks will present you with a series of prompts. It's designed to be straightforward, so just follow each prompt. QuickBooks wants to ensure you're making an informed decision, so be prepared for a few additional screens confirming your choice. Once you begin the cancellation process, QuickBooks might ask for your feedback by selecting a reason for why you're choosing to cancel your subscription. From a drop-down list, you can choose the reason that best matches your scenario, which helps the company understand customer needs better. Be aware that before finalizing, QuickBooks will display some warnings about potential data loss or other impacts from ending your subscription. It's crucial that you read these warnings carefully to avoid any surprises or loss of important information that you might want to keep. Finally, once you're ready and have reviewed any warnings, click Confirm to permanently cancel your subscription. This confirms your intent and effectively completes the cancellation process. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through canceling your QuickBooks Online subscription. Thank you for following along, and if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. We're here to help with any additional steps you may need.